How to check the exact responsiveness of the website and what are the best breakpoints. I don't believe there is any best breakpoint. My recommendation is you build for your desktop, you check your tablet, you check your mobile, you add bits, you take away bits where needed. You use fluid typography for your font clamps, so your fonts go big and small. You can do it for your padding, your margin, your image, your spacing, your row gap, your column gap, loads and loads of different areas. And if you build like that and you make sure you have an appropriately sized cover image for the mobile hero banner as opposed to the desktop hero banner, because a lot of people tend to still use the full width and then they realize that it's adding in some performance lag on the mobile. So think about your images, you'll be okay. There's no right or wrong answer, in my opinion. 10 years ago, we would have said desktop, tablet, iPad, when it first came out, and here's your mobile. And then we had the mobile screens got bigger with, since the iPhone 6, I think it was, when we got the bigger Pro version or the Plus, I think it was known then. And then we have different size mobiles, and then you got folding screens and all of that. So no right or wrong answer, but plain and simple answer is get on board with fluid typography. And so many people, when it comes to breakpoints, I just use the standard that Elementor give me. Because I'm using fluid typography, I don't care. Yeah, spacing, fluid spacing, all of that. Because I'm doing that, I really don't care much. And I always find that if you cover off your desktop, your tablet, and your mobile, everything that falls in between kind of is. And you just have to accept that if someone has got a really small desktop monitor or a laptop, and depending on their laptop screen, it falls in between like a desktop or a tablet view, as long as it looks good. That's the key thing, right? And then people go, yeah, but what if they're using a mega big widescreen monitor? Seriously, right? Yeah, I just go for boxed width all the time. All right. Because when you try and factor in a 49-inch screen, come on. You want your text to go all the way there. And then you want your image to go all the way over there. Like, you're expecting them to go like that when they're looking at the screen. No, just build it out and you'll be fine. Well, that's what I think.